Alright, so here you can see that we've unlocked this Samsung Galaxy A07. There is no pin, pattern or password on the phone again. Here you can see it's not asking for pin, pattern or password. Alright, so what's up guys? In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Samsung Galaxy A07 if you can't remember the pin, pattern or password. Alright, so this is very simple and all you have to do is to follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to show you in this video. Alright, so you will need a powered on laptop or a desktop. Just make sure that it is powered on. Alright, and then you also need the phone charging cable. That's the USB cable you're using to charge the phone. Alright, so the first thing is to plug the USB cable to the laptop and then you connect it to the phone. Okay, so just make sure that the phone is charging. Alright, so and then you want to press and hold these two buttons together, the power button and the volume down button key together. Press and hold the both buttons together. So let's go. Press and hold the both buttons. Just keep holding the both buttons until when the phone turns off. Once the phone turns off, then you switch to the volume up button while keep holding the power button. So once the phone turns on and show the Samsung logo, then you should go ahead and release the power button. Alright, so just release the power button and then you keep holding the volume up button. Okay guys, so here you can see we are in the recovery menu of this Samsung phone. So at this point we want to go ahead now to unplug the charging cable. Alright, so here you want to use the volume down button to scroll down to wipe data or factory reset. Now this is going to delete all the data and the information that is in the phone. Just take note of that. Alright, so as you have selected that, then you want to press the power button to select the option. Then use the volume down button to select factory data reset, and then you want to press the power button now to factory reset the phone. So here it's resetting the phone, it's wiping out the data. So when it is done, then you want to press the power button to select the first option, reboot system now. Alright, so the phone is going to restart and load the setup menu. So we'll proceed to set up the phone to the home screen and the screen lock will no longer be there. Alright guys, so here we are in the setup menu. Now let's proceed to set up the phone. Here you can decide to create a new lock screen, either pin, pattern or password, or your face recognition. So but I'm not going to set it up now, I will set it up later. So I'll click on skip. During the setup process and a screen like this appear while you are trying to set up the phone, okay, that's the FRP lock screen. In that screen you can use your Google account that was previously synced to the phone to verify the phone. All right, but if you cannot remember the Google account that was previously used on the phone, now all you want to do is to click on this video here, this video that the link is showing. Click on this video here, and it will take you to my previous video that I've made on how you can bypass the Google verification screen. So after bypassing it, you will not be required to input your Google account credential. All right, so but for this, as you can see, there is no Google account on this phone. That is why it is not asking us to input any Google account. All right, so let's proceed to set up the phone to the home screen. All right, so here you can see that we've unlocked this Samsung Galaxy A07. There is no pin, pattern or password on the phone again. Here you can see it's not asking for pin, pattern or password. All right, so what you want to do here now is to connect to your Wi-Fi network so the phone will update and load these default applications. All right, so that's a quick way on how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A07 if you have forgotten the pin, pattern or password. If you are new on my channel, here I make several unlocking videos. Here on my channel I make FRP videos. I also show you tutorial videos on how to unlock your locked phones. All right, so if you want to support me on this channel, subscribe and click on the like icon so that YouTube can recommend my video to other viewers here. All right, so with that said, see you in my next video. Bye for now.